Welcome again to another one, guys. This one, I'm on the CRV. I'm gonna replace the H and the CRV badge. I'm gonna put them in black. This is the part number right there. All the parts are inside. I picked this up from my local Honda dealer. I'm not sure I don't remember how much I paid for it. So replacing this, the proper way to do it is to go from the inside and remove this cover here, and there are some fasteners on the inside. But if you don't want to do all of that, you can just use your pry tool, pry this out, and just stick on the new one. This one you're gonna use some dental floss to take this piece off. So let's get to it. Phillips. Alright, next you remove this piece. So this is all clips, so you just pry it out. Slowly work yourself across. Then you get to the emblem. So you got these clips that holds it, these two. Alright, so just get your pry tool, just slide it under. There you go. So this is what comes in the kit. It gives you new clips. You got the alcohol wipes, you got the CRV, and this is the H. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use these, clean the area. I am gonna replace these. So this is the alcohol wipes. Properly cleaned. So now you just put this in first. Do not remove the tapes. That's the last thing you do. Make sure this is facing the right way. It can only fit one way anyway. Like that. And then you get the fasteners that goes on the other side. So it has these two fasteners. So the next thing you do is feel the tape. And just rub it on. Okay, I went ahead, removed all of them. Put the new ones back in. You got these two. All right, so these that you put back on there, I think you have to remove these two nuts right here. So this is gonna screw into this. As you can see, this have threads in there. The original did not. So this just pushed on over the nut. So the best thing they said is to just replace it. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to remove these two and just screw that back into this one. So from the inside. Again, this is the instructions from Honda how to do it, but you want to go the easy route, you just get a pry tool, pry out the H, and stick it on with the two-sided tape and be done with it. I just wanted to do this video to show the proper way how to do it that they recommended. So now this is gonna come back in here, like so. Okay, so now that all that is done, those two comes from where is it? They come from up in here. So there's one on this side and one on the other side. All right, so this part is all done. That's how you do it. So this concludes the video. I'm just gonna go ahead, put the trim back inside the door, and that's it. But this is the proper way Honda wants you to do it, which is a little bit, you know, time consuming. But if you do not want to do that, you just get your pry tool, pry out the H, just use the two-sided tape to hold it in, and do this one, which is way easier. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and just let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.